Pet longevity refers to the lifespan of various pets, encompassing how long different animals typically live under optimal care. Understanding this concept is crucial when considering the main topic, as it allows us to compare and contrast the lifespans of different pets, providing insights that could indeed surprise many. The significance of pet longevity in the discussion of which pet lives longer is pivotal. It not only influences a potential pet owner's decision-making, but also sheds light on the care and commitment required for each type of pet. For example, knowing that a tortoise can live over 100 years might surprise someone accustomed to the lifespan of a dog or cat, which typically ranges from 10 to 20 years. This knowledge could lead to a more informed decision about pet ownership, especially for families considering longer-term commitments. Moreover, understanding the factors influencing pet longevity, such as genetics, environment, diet, and healthcare, encourages responsible pet care and enhances the pet-owner relationship, leading to better quality and length of life for the pet. In real-world applications, pet longevity is often considered by zoos and conservatories, which need to plan long-term care strategies for animals like parrots, which can live up to 80 years, and elephants, known for their extended lifespans. Veterinary practices also adapt their services based on the longevity and associated health profiles of different species, ensuring tailored care that aligns with an animal's life stage and specific healthcare requirements. Advocates often support the importance of understanding pet longevity, highlighting that this knowledge fosters not only responsible pet ownership, but also compassion and empathy, as people learn to accommodate and respect these animals' natural lifespans and needs. However, challenges arise due to varying opinions and misconceptions about pet lifespans, influenced by anecdotes and cultural differences in pet care practices. Additionally, controversies might surface regarding the ethical considerations of the lifespan extension in pets through modern veterinary interventions, sparking debates on the quality versus quantity of life. Pet longevity interconnects profoundly with other aspects of the topic, influencing factors such as the care strategies of pet owners, the policies set by animal welfare organizations, and the research initiatives on animal health and genetics. By understanding the lifespan of various pets, individuals and institutions can make more educated decisions that align with ethical, practical, and emotional considerations, ultimately fostering a more harmonious coexistence between humans and their animal companions. When discussing which pet lives longer, it's crucial to focus on the biological and environmental factors that contribute to the longevity of different species. This concept involves understanding how genetics, size, habitat, diet, and healthcare impact an animal's lifespan. The significance of this point lies in its capacity to inform potential pet owners about the long-term commitment required for different animals, and to guide them toward choices that match their lifestyle and expectations. For instance, smaller dogs generally outlive larger breeds due to slower aging processes at the cellular level. A Chihuahua can live upwards of 15 to 20 years, compared to a Great Dane, which typically lives between 7 to 10 years. Another example is the lifespan of parrots, with species like the African gray capable of living over 50 years in captivity, primarily due to their slow metabolism and advanced care extending their life expectancy. These examples highlight the diversity and longevity across species, emphasizing the need for prospective pet owners to consider not only the immediate allure of a pet, but also its long-term welfare. Support for this idea often comes from veterinarians and animal welfare experts, who stress the importance of understanding these factors to avoid potential heartbreak and the ethical implications of pet ownership. They argue that choosing a pet with a lifespan that aligns with personal circumstances is crucial in ensuring a rewarding and responsible experience. However, this topic is not without challenges and controversies. Some critics argue that promoting pets based on longevity alone might overlook the importance of matching a pet's personality and needs with an owner's lifestyle. Others point out that regardless of species, improvements in veterinary care and nutrition can significantly enhance the life expectancy of any pet, making the debate on intrinsic longevity somewhat secondary. Ultimately, this point influences the broader topic by framing pet ownership as a nuanced decision that goes beyond surface-level preferences. It encourages a deeper look into the responsibilities tied to different animals' lifespans and calls attention to the balance between personal desire and ethical stewardship. This awareness can lead to more informed decisions, creating harmonious relationships that benefit both humans and their animal companions. Through understanding lifespan differences, pet owners are better equipped to forge long-lasting bonds, ensuring the well-being of their chosen pets, which is the heart of responsible pet ownership. When discussing which pet lives longer, understanding the factors influencing pet lifespan is crucial. This concept refers to the various biological, environmental, and specific care-related elements that determine how long a pet might live. The significance of examining these factors is that they not only help pet owners make informed decisions about which pets to adopt based on longevity expectations, but also guide them in providing optimal care to extend their pets' lives. Several factors influence pet lifespan. For instance, species and breed play a vital role. Typically, smaller animals like birds and turtles can outlive their larger counterparts, whereas in dogs, smaller breeds often live longer than larger ones. Additionally, genetics hold significant sway. Some breeds are predisposed to specific health conditions that can shorten their lives. Environment and lifestyle are also pivotal. Pets living in safe, clean environments with regular veterinary care generally enjoy longer lifespans. A balanced diet and regular exercise contribute to physical vitality and longevity. Consider, for example, the differences between a domestic cat and a wild cat. Domestic cats, receiving regular meals and medical attention, often outlive their wild counterparts who face environmental dangers and food scarcity. Additionally, a dog living in a nurturing home with a secure backyard is likely to live longer than a street dog exposed to harsh weather and unreliable food sources. Opinions supporting the importance of these factors are widespread. Veterinarians and pet experts emphasize that while genetics sets the baseline, human intervention through proper care drastically enhances lifespan. However, this idea isn't without challenges. Potential controversies arise in conversations about breed-specific lifespan disparities and the role of overbreeding, which may introduce genetic health issues. Furthermore, the debate between adopting pets from breeders versus shelters might intersect with lifespan discussions. Critics argue that prioritizing lifespan could overshadow the ethical responsibility of providing homes to animals in need. Ultimately, the factors influencing pet lifespan intricately connect with the broader topic by shaping pet ownership dynamics and decisions. When understood and addressed thoughtfully, these factors empower pet owners to create environments where their pets not only survive but thrive. Recognizing the interplay between genetics, environment, and care helps answer the question of which pet lives longer, offering a foundation for informed, compassionate, and responsible pet ownership. When considering the longevity of various pets, a fascinating and often overlooked aspect is the surprising lifespan of certain animals that defy common expectations. In general, when people think of long-lived pets, they might immediately think of dogs or cats. However, the reality is far more diverse and intriguing. Tortoises, for example, can live for over a century, significantly outliving the average human lifespan. Similarly, parrots, especially larger species like the African gray or macaw, can live anywhere from 40 to 80 years if well cared for. These examples highlight that some of the longest living pets are not the ones traditionally found in the average household, which underscores a significant gap between common perception and reality. This point is crucial in relation to the main topic of pet longevity because it challenges preconceived notions and encourages potential pet owners to consider alternative types of pets. By understanding which pets naturally have longer lifespans, individuals can make informed decisions that better align with their lifestyle and long-term commitments. For example, a family that selects a tortoise or parrot must be prepared for a multi-generational commitment, discussing arrangements for future custodianship. This long-term planning can often lead to unique bonds and potentially strengthen familial ties across generations. In support of this concept, many experts agree that the longevity of an animal can enrich the owner's life with a deeper, more evolving companionship, as seen with owners of parrots who often report strong emotional connections that develop over decades. However, this notion also presents challenges. For instance, the long lifespan of these creatures can lead to practical difficulties, such as estate planning for the pet's care after the owner's passing. Furthermore, there's the ethical consideration of ensuring an environment that maintains the well-being of such long-lived animals throughout their entire life. Despite these challenges, the surprising longevity of some pets can influence other aspects of pet ownership, such as fostering a greater appreciation for wildlife conservation and an understanding of diverse ecological needs. Additionally, it highlights the responsibility of choosing a pet based on its natural lifespan and the owner's ability to provide sustained care. By expanding the conversation on pet longevity, we acknowledge a wider array of companion animals, encouraging a more comprehensive understanding of what it truly means to share one's life with these unique beings. There is an inherent respect for the lifespan and quality of life that should influence the decision-making process when considering a pet, guiding us toward more thoughtful and informed choices.